Dear children, as I said before, how many data types we are having? I will tell once again: integers, floating point values, string, list, tuple and dictionary. Here we are going to discuss about dictionary. Dictionary is another feature of Python. It is an unordered set of comma separated values. What is the difference between list and tuple? That is the only difference. List is mutable whereas tuple is immutable. String, list, tuple having a common feature called index. But in dictionary there is no indexing happens. Instead of each and every element is a key value pair. That is key colon value. Each values are used or accessed by its key only. Dictionary items are defined in curly brackets or flower brackets. List, how the list items are defined? In the square bracket. How the tuple elements are defined? In the single parenthesis. Whereas in dictionary, we have to use only curly brackets. Keys defined in the dictionary cannot be same. That is, it is like indexing only. Key should not be same in the same dictionary. No two key having the same value. My dear children, look at the example which I had given for a dictionary student. I used a curly bracket. Roll number is a string type value, colon 1. Comma name Jagga. Then percentage, that is PER 91.5. Then I closed the curly bracket. So my dear children, what are all the keys I used here? Roll number, name and PER, that is percentage. And what are the values I used here? 1, Jagga, 91.5. My dear children, when I am trying to print student, it will display the dictionary itself. Then when I am trying to get the value of the percentage, how can I get the value? Student of PER, that should be enclosed in single quote. Then val equals, I am going to change the val. Val is another type of dictionary. Val is the another type of dictionary. What are the keys I used there? 1, 2 and 4. For 1, what is the value? 100. For 2, it is 300. For 4, it is 900. So my dear children, what are the keys I used here? 1, 2 and 4. What are the values I used here? 100, 300 and 900. Here also we can use like val of 1. It will display 100. Dictionary is mutable type. That means we can modify the dictionary elements. We can modify the dictionary elements. The string name can be in string or key and value of any type. That is, keys can be of any type, values can be of any type. Key can be a list, key can be of string or numeric. My dear children, we can give the values are immutable in dictionary. Let me give the small summary of data type. The data types are classified into core data type. Core data types are numbers. Within numbers we are having 3 subcategories: integers, floating point and complex. The integers again classified into Boolean. Then sequences, within that we had discussed in string, tuple and list. Then mapping, that is any value in a dictionary is mapped with the key. So that is why it is called a mapping. That is the only one dictionary. I think you are all clear about how the data types are categorized into several subtypes. We will discuss more about the data type and its uses in the upcoming modules. Thank you.